Hey guys, it's Sharon Hartley from My Keto Journey, and this is going to be a quick food haul. We have come across some awesome buys for Christmas. Now, these few items I'm going to show you, there is one item here that is only available from Woolworths for Christmas. It is a double whipping cream or double cream. It is vanilla bean indulgent. It has 2 carbohydrates per serve and it has 1 sugar. This can be used in your coffee, so it's vanilla bean cream indulgent. And this here is $5, so it is a little pricey. But you can also use it as ice cream. You could put it in your freezer and freeze it for ice cream. It's great to put in coffee. It's great just to get a spoonful if you're looking for that sweet something or other. And they do have this in rum as well, with the same type of carbohydrates. It's in a different pack. It's a pack like this, but it's red, and we didn't really want the rum because it's kind of a little bit rich. So that was $5 at Woolworths, and we are going to be buying up a few more of those because, like I said, they're only available over Christmas time. They are in with the thick cream, so they're way up the front of the store. Now at Coles this week we have Kerrygold. They usually are $6 a block, but they are being reduced half price for $3. So this one or the silver one is what you want to get for your cooking, your bulletproof coffee. $3 is about as cheap as you can get them here in Australia. So if you're looking to try the Kerrygold, now would be the time to grab them while they're in stock at Coles. Regularly $6. Sometimes you can find them for $5 at IGA Ritchie's or IGA supermarket. But the other thing that we love turkey, and seeing as it's just my mum and I, we kind of just got a frozen turkey breast, and I looked at the carbohydrates in these Ingham's turkey breasts. The carb content on this is 2.9 and less than 1 gram of sugar. So these at the moment at Woolworths are $10, and these feed a family very well. So $10, guys. They're probably on sale right now, only until stocks last. So grab yourself one of these if you're a small family, perfect for a couple of meals. Or you can buy a few of these. Say if you buy these for your Christmas lunch, you could buy 2 for $20. That's perfect. That would feed quite a great number of people. Hi Diana, how are you? Yes, I love the Kerrygold as well. Next we have the Philadelphia Original Cream Cheese. Usually these are rather expensive, but to get 2 for $6, which is a good deal at the moment at Woolworths. So get 2 in a pack like that. They're on sale this week. So they're just a few things that you can pick up that's on sale at the moment. Just keep your eye out on the catalogs that come each week. There are some protein bars that I'm going to be probably buying, because protein bars here, you can only buy them sort of individually. I had tried the BSC ones, which were okay. They have the little bounce bars. They look like little rumbles. So they're at IGA, I think, for $1.90 something like that. So when I'm at Coles, I just go into the health food section and look at the protein bars and obviously check the ingredients, check the carb content, the sugar content, that kind of thing. And if they're good, I'll grab one. So yeah, they've got some that are rather quite high in protein, 31 in protein. So they're good, but they're a little expensive, but they're great to take on the go. So that's it, guys, for the food haul. There wasn't much to show you today. I apologize, but they're just a few items that I wanted to share with you, especially this double vanilla bean cream, which is delicious. I've already had a coffee with it. It is just amazing. You can really taste that vanilla bean. It's really decadent. So I hope you guys are having a great day or night wherever you are in the world, and I'll talk to you later. Take care. Keto on. Bye-bye.